content made by for today. So, I'm going to assess you head-to-toe assessment to identify any abnormalities in your body. It is like giving a full body checkup from top to bottom. To ensure the assessment is accurate, you need to provide honest answers to any question I will ask. We will perform here the 4 techniques, which are inspection, palpation, percussion, and auscultation. So, ma'am, first, I will ask your name,
Michelle Documenta,
age,
20,
birthday,
March 19, 2004.
So, ma'am, do you have an past or current medical condition? So, before we're going to perform the assessment, ma'am, I will check first your vital signs. So, ma'am, this is the result of your vital signs. Blood pressure 90/60, temperature 36.5, respiratory rate 18, pulse rate 80, oxygen saturation 97. Let's start the head-to-toe assessment, ma'am. So first, I will assess your head. So first, I will inspect your head.
Palpate the head for the presence of lesions. Inspect the facial features. Note the symmetry of facial movements. Let the patient frown, smile, clench her jaw, puff her cheeks. Palpate the temporal and note the rate, rhythm, volume, and symmetry.
Ma'am, this is the result of the assessment. Head, even growth of hair over the scalp, normal hair thickness, texture, and oiliness. Absence of lesions or abnormalities on the scalp. Symmetrical facial movements. Sensory functions of the facial nerves intact. Normal temporal artery palpation without bleeds.
I will assess your eyes, ma'am.
Mom, what letter?
E, F, T, T, O, Z, L, P, E, D, P, E, C, F, D, A, D, E, C, Z, P, R, A, L,
Mom, look straight. Mom, look straight and say stop if you can see my fingers.
Stop. 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 Stop.
Mom, look straight and say the number what you can see.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Mom, this is the result in your assessment. In eyes, symmetrical and evenly distributed eyebrows, even distribution and curl of eyelashes, clear cornea without cloudiness or abnormalities, equal and reactive pupils to light and accommodation, full range of ocular movements without restriction. So, Mom, I will assess your ear. Ma'am, do you feel any pain or tenderness? Do you feel any pain, ma'am? Ma'am, close your eyes and repeat after me.
apple,
Orange.
orange,
Banana.
banana.
I will do the waiver test, ma'am. So please say stop if you can't hear the vibration.
Stop. Stop.
Ma'am, this is the result in your ears assessment. Symmetrical auricles with no tenderness or masses. Normal findings on voice whisper, Weber, and Merny tests. So, Mom, I will do the mouth assessment. First, I will inspect your outer and inner lips. So, Mom, can you open your mouth? Can you roll your tongue upward? Move it side by side. Open your mouth wide. Say a mom. Say a. Close your eyes and tell me what is that flavor is.
Sweet. Salt. Chocolate.
This is the result of your mouth assessment. Symmetrical outer lips without tensions or abnormalities. Pink, moist, and intact inner lips and buccal mucosa. Smooth tongue surface without nodules or excoriated areas. Intact, hard, and soft palate with normal uvula position and mobility. Clear oropharynx with no redness or swelling. I will assess your neck muscle. So first I will inspect your neck muscle. So can you look down, ma'am? Up. Side. Side. Turn your head to the right, ma'am, and try to resist your hand. I will assess your thorax and lungs, ma'am. So straight forward. Bend. Stand. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Ma'am, say 99.
99.
99.
99.
99.
99.
99.
99.
Ma'am, say 99.
99.
99.
99.
99.
99.
Inhale. Exhale. 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 Ma'am, this is the result in your thorax and lungs assessment. Symmetrical thorax shape with normal spinal alignment. Full range of chest expansion during breathing. Normal vocal primitus and diaphragmatic exertion. Clear breath sounds without adventitious sounds. So, ma'am, I will assess your heart, breast, and axilla. Ma'am, permission to pull your gum to check your breast. Ma'am, this is the result in your assessment in heart, breast, and axilla. Regular heart rate and rhythm at the point of maximal impulse. Absence of murmurs, S3 and S4 sounds. Normal findings on auscultation of other valves. Breast and axilla. Symmetrical breast size and contour without retraction. Absence of palpable lymph node enlargement. I will assess your abdomen, ma'am. So can you please lay down? Permission to lift your gown, ma'am. Ma'am, this is the result in your abdomen. Intact skin without lesions or abnormalities, normal borborygmy and absence of peritoneal friction rubs, no tenderness or masses on palpation of liver and bladder, normal percussion notes throughout the abdomen. So ma'am, I will assess your upper and lower extremities. So stand up ma'am. And resist my strength. Ma'am, close your eyes and identify the object if sharp or soft. Sharp. Soft. Ma'am, this is the result in your upper and lower extremities. Normal musculoskeletal assessment with full muscle strength, intact sensation to temperature, pain and touch, probable radial and pedal pulse with normal rate and quality, normal nail appearance and capillary refilling. So ma'am, let's proceed to your lower extremities. Follow my instruction ma'am. So relax your legs ma'am. Straight, fold, straight, fold, and the other one, straight, fold, straight, fold. I will use the hammer now. Ma'am, can you please lay down? Do you feel any pain or tenderness? Do you feel any pain?